Welcome. In today's lecture, I am going to cover the topic discrete Fourier transformation, abbreviated as DFT. DFT is used for converting analog signal into discrete signal. So the DFT of a signal x of n is given by DFT of a signal x of n is given by summation of n is equals to 0 to capital N minus 1 x of n e power of minus j 2 pi n k by capital N. This can also be written as capital X of k is equals to summation n is equals to 0 n minus 1 x of n e power minus j 2 pi n k by capital N. So this is the major part that we will be using in the problems. So we will consider a problem and try to understand the DFT algorithm. So we will take the question: compute the DFT of the sequence x of n is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4. So we'll take the solution. First we'll write down the given data. What is given to us? X of n is given. So x of n is 1, 2, 3, 4. So first we need to find the origin. Origin is nothing but the place of 0. Here it is indicated with an arrow, but here since we don't have an arrow, the first one is the origin. This means that x of 0 is equals to 1, x of 1 is equals to 2, x of 2 is equals to 3, and x of 3 is equals to 4. If the arrow was at second, that is at the value 2, then x1 would be x of minus 1 and 2 would be x of 0. Now we'll use the formula of DFT, that is capital X of k is equals to summation n is equals to 0 to n minus 1 x of n e power of minus j 2 pi n k by capital N, where n is the length of the sequence. How many values are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So n is equals to 4. Now we'll substitute in this. So x of k is equals to summation n is equals to 0 n minus 1 x of n e power of minus j 2 pi n k by 4. Here also we need to substitute 4. So x of k is equals to 3, n is equals to 0 to 3, x of n e power minus j 2 pi, 2 1s are 2 2s are. So there will not be any 2, pi n k by 2. So this is our main equation for the problem. Now here what we need to find is, we need to find the discrete value, means we need to find the x of k. So x of k means how many number of values are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we should also have 4 values with respect to the same sequence, that is 0, 1, 2 and 3. So we need to find capital X of 0, question mark, capital X of 1, question mark, capital X of 2, question mark, and capital X of 3, question mark. So first we will find x of 0, that is this will be at k is equals to 0. So we will substitute k equals to 0 over here. So capital X of 0 is n is equals to 0 to 3 x of n e power of minus j pi n into 0 by 2. So e power 0 is equal to 1. So n is equals to 0 to 3 x of n into 1. Now we will expand this. So n is expanding from 0 to 3, means x of 0 plus x of 1 plus x of 2 plus x of 3. These values we can take from the input. That is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus, that's it. So it is 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 3 is 6, 6 plus 4 is 10. So the value of x of 10 is equals to 10. Okay. In the exam, you don't change the question mark. At the end, when you get the values, you write it down. Here for understanding, I am writing like this. Now we'll go for the second one. That is at k is equals to 1. So we'll substitute in place of k 1. In which equation? Again in this equation. Okay. So summation of n is equals to 0 to 3 x of n e power minus k pi n into 1 by 2. So this will become summation n is equals to 0 to 3 x of n e power minus k n by 2. So here we are not able to solve this, means it is not been solving like 1, we are getting the 1 for here. So here we need to expand here on. So we will expand this. N pi. So x of 1 is equals to x of 0 into e power of minus k into 0 into pi by 2 plus x of 1 into e power minus k 1 into pi by 2 plus x of 2 into e power of minus k 2 pi by 2 plus x of 3 into e power minus k 3 pi by 2. So here 2 will get cancelled. What is the value of x of 0 from the input what we have? It is equals to 1. So here anything into 0 is 0, n e power 0 is equals to 1. So no need to go further, we can write it 1 plus 1. Sorry 1. Now plus with the carry 1. X of 1 value is 2 into. Now here you need to know two major formulas. One is e power j theta is equals to cos theta plus j sin theta, and e power minus j theta is equals to cos theta minus j sin theta. These two are the main formula that we will be using in this kind of problems. So if you see, here you have a formula applicable e power minus j theta. This particular, we will apply this formula. So we will write this as cos pi by 2 minus j sin pi by 2. Similar way for this also. Here the input, in the question input we have is 3. So cos pi minus j sin pi. Similar way 4 into cos 3 pi by 2 minus j sin 3 pi by 2. Okay. So this is 1 into 1 1 plus this is 2 into cos pi by 2. Cos pi by 2 is 0 minus j. You can use the calculator for this. So sin pi by 2 means sin 1. So whenever you are having angle, always use 180. You would use 3.14 by 2, 1. So this is into 1 plus 3 into cos 180. Cos 180 minus 1 minus j. Similar way sin 180 also you should be seeing. 0 plus 4 into cos 3 into 180 divided by 2. 0. 0 minus j. Similar way with the sign also. Minus 1. Okay. Now we'll go with the results part. 1 plus 2 into 0, 0, minus j, minus 2j, minus into plus minus, so minus 2j, plus 3 into 1, plus into minus minus, so minus 3, again this is 0, that is minus 0, plus again minus 0, minus into minus plus j, so this becomes plus 4j. So your answer here plus minus 3 plus 1 is minus 2, plus 4j minus 2j is plus 2j. Okay, so here you get the value of x of 5. Similar way, you find the value of x of 2, how much, x of 3, how much, and at the end you write the output sequence as x of k is equals to 10 minus minus 2 plus 2j, comma the value. These two values you find it out by solving the complete problem as I have shown and send it to me. Now this is in rectangular form. If you want this in polar form, just convert this into r theta form using your calculator. Okay, you will get the angle also. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment. Thank you.